Alright guys, so I started the install on the top Gunz A2A Kit for the 370Z. I haven't really seen any install videos on YouTube yet on this kit. Obviously, I was actually gonna do a full review on it, like I'll actually like install like piece by piece, but my time's limited, so I don't know. I'm just gonna brief through it real quick and like I'm gonna talk about some key factors that you run into when installing this kit. So pretty much, I mean, it's pretty much a straight bolt-on kit. There's only like three things that you gotta kind of modify to make the kit fit. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. So one of them is, so once you get to rotating the blower, there's the bracket that goes under the AC line. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's right here. So it goes from here to here, and you have to trim that piece out. It's like a U. You trim it out. That way the blower can clear. That's one of them. And then this piece over here, this hole here to clear the intercooler piping goes through here. You got to make that hole bigger. It's pretty easy. You just get like a little Dremel and cut around it, or a circle through it. Another piece is we had to make a custom tool for this to get the two bolts under the stillen kit. They're 12. So you need like a long 12 to go under here and clear the fuel rails over here and get those two bolts. So yeah, I kind of didn't have it, so I made one. So it's pretty much it's a 12mm ratchet. And we welded like a big metal piece to it. It's pretty long. You don't have to be this long but that's just an idea. But yeah, we're pretty much almost done. I'm beginning to tune soon, so if you guys have any questions or anything, just let me know. And yeah, hopefully get it running soon. It's been like a month, just haven't had time to fully complete it. But yeah, like if you would work on it like in a full day, I'd say maybe like the install on this kit, probably like a good 5 to 6 hours, probably 8. But yeah, first startup on air to air. Alright guys, so yeah, so my car finally got tuned already. The results were pretty good. I was pretty impressed with the numbers that it made on 93 pump. I'm gonna do my fuel return system and then tune it on 85, and it should make you know, close to 600. But yeah, definitely the install was good. It was a pretty cool install, I'd say. If you guys have any questions about it, just you know, comment questions or send me a message through IG, and whenever I get a chance, I'll get back with you guys. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll try to upload more and have more content for you guys. But yeah, thanks.